How is everybody doing? How my fellow brothers and billionaire and millionaire traders doing? This is your boy Harlan, and I'm back with another video. Today's video, there's going to be a trade breakdown. There's going to be a trade breakdown, but I don't want to let y'all people see the trade breakdown and say that like, Harlem cut a good trade, Harlem catching good trades, Harlem doing this, Harlem doing that, Harlem is a good trader, is doing this. Nah, I need y'all to understand the reasons and why I had to took this trade. You understand me? This is what I'm just trying to share, the reason why I took this trade and what can potentially happen every time you find such movements in the market. Without further ado, let's cap in more action. Let's hop in the charts and let's just do what we banned to do. So looking at the structure of USDCAD, you guys know that like USDCAD, it's my only, the only currency pair that I really fuck with. I do trade other currency pairs, but I fuck with the USDCAD. You feel me? So looking at the structure of USDCAD, like you can go check out my previous weekly outlook video for the week of what I was looking for on the USDCAD. So looking at the structure of the USDCAD, you can tell that like price has been moving sideways. Price has been moving sideways. You can tell that like we've been trading our resistance and our support, right, from the daily time frame. So when something like this occurs in the markets most of the time, this actually indicates, or it actually tells us that like price is either going to get what continuation to the downside, continuation to the upside. Understanding, so with price pushing and correcting, we know that most of the time we get a continuation to the downside, but we don't have to be eager enough into trying to tell what the market can do. The only thing that we need to wait for is to either wait for what? The price to break above or for price to break below, and that is it. Apart from that, please trade support and resistance. You understand me? Intraday support, intraday resistance. That's all that you have to do if price doesn't break out from a sideways move or a correction. So when price was moving like this, there was nothing for me to say because obviously price was touching support, touching resistance and touching support. You understand me? So from the 4 hour, so looking at the 4 hour, because this is like one of the confirmations which I had within my trading idea or what I looked for before I had to consider me taking a trade fully. You understand me? So now when you saw on the previous day, price did what? Price tapped on resistance on Tuesday and came back to support on Wednesday. You understand me? So with price coming back on support, the only thing that I was looking for from the 4 hour is for bullish candle close, confirming what? That we are on support, we fail to break support, we might continue what? Moving above or moving up, meaning we might have a bullish trend on our intraday correction, support and resistance. You understand me? So once price came back here, the only thing I was waiting for was for what? A bullish candle close, confirming that we might be having a potential reversal. Or we might be having, we might be having a potential reversal from where? From support. You understand me? But there was nothing fascinating or nothing that I had to look for that much on the 4 hour. So on the hourly, so let's quickly look at the hourly now. So on the hourly time frame, we saw that like now on Wednesday, on our pre-session right there, pre-London, an hour before a pre-London, price came back on our support and rejected support, came back on the London session, indicating that price might potentially break out, confirming that we might be having a continuation move to the downside, but it rejected again with a bear open and a bullish close. This is what I always talk about in my trade breakdowns. With a bear open and a bullish close. This was one confirmation, right? And this candlestick was my second confirmation. You can go check out what's the name of this candlestick. A hanging man pattern. It's a hanging man candle. I don't know if it's a hanging man or I forgot what name it is. But it was my second confirmation. Two rejections with a bullish close and a candlestick indicating a potential reversal. That was my what? Two candle. Okay, the first confirmation was price coming to support, price rejecting support one on pre-London, which is the first one. Price came back on support and rejected support. Two, that's price coming back on support on our London session with a big candle and a bullish close. Three, we had a hanging man pattern. We had a hanging man candlestick, which was my third confirmation. And four, we had a bullish close on the hanging man pattern. You understand me? Those are the four confirmations that confirmed everything for me to look for continuation trades to the upside, meaning you have to simply buy support when price doesn't break support. You simply have to sell resistance when price doesn't break resistance. This is textbook Forex, man. This is just textbook Forex. Understand me? I don't even know why I'm having this trade breakdown, but let's just continue. So one, price rejected support pre-London. Two, price rejected support again on London, on New York open with a big candle, on London session with a big candle and a bullish open. Three, we had a hanging man pattern. We had a hanging man candlestick. Four, we had a bullish close. You understand me? And then five, it was the reason why I took a trade. So the reason why I looked for this trade or how I took this trade, it was simply me having to wait for a trade above. If you can look where the entry was, it's a trade above, a trade above the two candlesticks. Understand me? The hanging man candle and the bullish close after the hanging man candle. Thus were the four confirmations to why I took this trade. Understand me? But the main important thing about this video is the importance of trading support and resistance. You understand me? That's why I had to do this video. It's not about me having to take a good trade. Nah. It's not about me having a sniper entry. Nah. I did suffer some drawdown before price went into take profit, right? But all I'm just trying to share is please buy support and please sell resistance. You understand me? Please buy support. Please sell resistance until you get a break above and a break below. Then you can look for a potential reversal or a continuation depending on how price broke out. You understand me? So this is your boy Harlem. I didn't want to make this video be too long, understand me, because like I say, the reason why I had to do this video is to share the importance of trading support and resistance. I don't fuck with trading corrections. Like I always say on my outlooks, every time I find something like this, I just simply scratch it out because there's nothing happening in the market. But I always say, if price doesn't break out or if price doesn't break above or break below, you can simply trade resistance coming to support, trade support coming to resistance, and that's it. So like I say, people, I didn't want to make this video be too long. I wanted to share what I believe that like it was important or it is important for me to share so we can hit someone and motivate someone and show someone the importance or the confidence that you have to have within you as a trader and the patience which you have to have and the confirmations which you have to have and the discipline and the consistency which you have to have in order for you to understand such trades or such directions or such structures. That's all, boy Harlem. I don't want to make this video be too long. That's all I got on this video, people.